Dope.
Somebody said twerk copy
battling
Prince
in
Mafia. That's so
Louisiana.
funny. Yes, in Louisiana,
In October.
League in Baton Rouge in October. Me and will be
fire.
on that card as well. I'm excited for that.
I don't really need the foot. I got 50. Might see you over All right, hey, I said we was gonna do the main event now, but I need to do one more battle and then we're gonna get to the main event. So, if I can get Rickey C up to the stage.
Yeah.
All right, and I need my boy. Say it again. RadRay to the stage. RadRay. Y'all give it up to RadRay. Yeah. All right, so. 3 rounds. My dog Rickey gonna spit his 3 rounds. My dog RadRay just jumped in for me, and I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying?
Not a battle rapper here.
Yeah,
Don't take none of this shit offensively.
He claimed he's not a battle rapper, but we gonna see. Top of the first, we gonna go with Rickey C first, since you guys. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, so when I say Rickey C, y'all say spare none. Rickey C?
Spare none.
Rickey C?
Spare none.
Arm up on the champ like Creed hit the Rocky steps. Woo! If I don't win, I'ma leave him iced in the ring like a hockey ref. When you heard I was your opponent, nigga, you was so stressed. But battling you was like going to the gym and not exercising. It's no sweat. Let me flex on the nigga that's about to get his heart exposed. On my dog, let me flex on the nigga that's about to get his heart exposed. On my dog's hands on. We the Paw Patrol, and I've been waiting for this battle, my nigga. So it ain't no holding back. Since this gnat think you fly, if you get in my face, I'ma bat him down like, the fuck was that? Body on the gun. Like I sleep with it under the mattress. I'm light and dark, he don't get no wings. His flame goes out after a couple of matches. Didn't I say I'm all the way hands on? Like I got a feeling addiction, the reason you'll die, you'll be these. Like a sugar addiction. Man, I ain't no debate about who won here tonight. Cause I don't want my fans to be mad at me, so for him I ride in, 2 5s on my side. Like the cat daddy, I'm over him. I'm over him, bringing down a 5 like y'all talking too much. 12-inch clip, I put a foot down like, bitch, that's enough. I know. You thought this was gonna be easy, huh? You thought you was gonna pull up and do me pretty easy, huh? You heard Rickey C been killing niggas. Now you get to win this firsthand without doing 40 with the butt out. Like ain't nobody talking to you. This BlackSmith, nigga. You either move or get moved. Uppercut, knock him out his socks and shoes. He's claiming he a gangster, but I know he ain't about it. After this battle, the car ride home, he ain't gonna want to talk about it. All right, let's go for that. Let's go, it's on RadRay, let's get it.
Man, check me out, yo. Real artists over here. Where your mixtapes at? Where your music videos at? I can scratch that for you, my nigga. I'm connected in my city. I can give you a budget, my nigga. Like an artist. No, more like a label. You have no label. You like you off the Wish fucking commercials. Alright. Check me out. Check me out. Wish commercials. Nigga, this is not rehearsal. You a chocolate kiss. I put you in a motherfucking Hershey. I like your chains. I like that letter too. R-A-D, nigga. That's my name. I'm insane. Like, I need a padded jacket. Matter of fact, I know for sure you're a faggot.
So Norley gang.
I go in your motherfucking home, put you home alone. You sleep. I'ma go in your dreams like Freddy Krueger with a real Ruger. You never seen that before. Oh, listen, that's not how a fucking gun work, my nigga. All that shit, I like to pull real fucking triggers. New Year's Eve, that's my favorite holiday. You don't know what this fucking firecrackers or fucking ball heads in the air. Them gunshots. I come through with the fucking rock. Crossing it over his fucking head like cornrows. I'm a real nigga. I put you in a motherfucking robe. How long I got?
You got it.
I'm gonna do this shit all fucking night. If I I'm like Michael fucking Jordan. Not for the skills. Wait, no, I'm sorry. You're like Michael fucking Jordan. Not for the skills and all the credibility. You like the fucking gambler. I'm gonna kill your fucking dad.
We don't need another one. Y'all hold on. Come on.
Bitch.
Now
I
say it
started
again.
battle rapping to get some enemies. You started battle rapping to make some friends. Now I'm a killer for hire. Rolled in, both arms on wheel, like a student driver. This Louisiana, nigga. This ain't no Texas show. Flame his top for that big bread. Now he Texas toast. Boy, I'm about to do your mama least favorite son bad. like I'm babysitting today, nigga. You don't get no options. Or it's gonna be 2 arms waving in his face. I'm about to Millie rock him. Me and Ben had to sit down. Now I got a better reason to work. Trust me, we could get it jumping mid-round. New Jersey twerk.
Come on.
I be passenger seated, rolling up some weed while I'm riding, up close and personal. Cause I don't like to aim when I'm firing. When one sling get him rocked in his face, David ain't Goliath. Boy, hey.
Boy.
Your old lady told you be careful before you walked on the stage. And you told her you was gonna be fine. Look at it now, my nigga, and tell her you was lying. Cause now you got me GPSing. Addressing all these bars to you like a letter B, back straight. 2 rounds in front of me. That's the letter B.
Wow.
Where your girl at?
In front of me, back straight.
Where your girl at? Cause me and my shorty going after that. Her name Apollonia, I'm the cinnamon. That's Apple Jacks. I'ma catch him on route with that 66. Like Rascal Flatts, pop this can, leave his whole top red. Snapple facts.
Come on.
I'm so ahead of they league, it ain't no matching that. Radioactive flow, get them dragged in. Imagine that. You just talk. I really rap. You could get the trait to the chest or die from a song. Heart attack. Nigga, I'm grown, you old grown. There's a difference in age. I throw hands, you throw fists. There's a difference in fades. I'm getting you sniped with that Wesley. There's a difference in blades. You clean a house, I clean my own house. There's a difference in maids. Come on. That's real life.
Look, check me out. I don't care about your smart raps. All them big words that you slur out your mouth and get you bitch slapped.
Talk to that
Put you in a
nigga.
box, that's gift wraps. Hit to your motherfucking friends like a hoop text. I got something that will handle this nigga like Uncle Phil. On your pursuit of happiness. I got a fucking Man in Black gun that'll make you forget all about Scientology. Look, revolver nigga, like a Wild Wild West dude, and if you get up like you group, I'll hit you with that Man in Black too. Yeah, real talk. I'm gonna make your breath hurt, your chest hurt. It's gonna be hard for you to breathe like your chest high. Put stacks in a box, kind of like your t-shirt.
Office clothes.
Off the top of the dome. Your bitch getting your head off the top of the dome. I pull out the microphone. I ask her to freestyle. She goes wild, like all the time. Check my watch, nigga. Siberia on my wrist. It glitz. Siberia's in Russia. Get on your motherfucking social studies shit. Oh, motherfucker. Oh, man. I'm
It's all time. Top of the third is Hey, y'all hold it down. Let me cook.
All my bars personal. Even though it may seem a little crazy. I said, all my bars personal. Even though it may seem a little crazy. Oh, y'all thought I was fucking up? Y'all know that ain't me. My little nephew had AC just last week. I did that to prove to him it's okay to start your life off a little shaky. That's for him. You want to battle Rickey C?
Yeah.
You know that's so silly. Y'all know I'm well over the kid's head like Free Willy. Yeah. Y'all got the Falling Hour Stars versus Love and Basketball. That's because I stepped on this court Looked at my opponent and said, fuck it, I'm staying. Everywhere I walk is holy ground. When I shoot, my wrist look like it's praying. See?
Oh my God.
It's lines like that that prove to y'all who deserve to be on this stage. It should show y'all I'm that nigga. I only came here to prove that he ain't sharp around the edges. Like kid scissors. I just joined him with no details at all. Like kid pictures. Y'all gonna see him coming before the smoke. Stale swishers. Hold up. These raps going up, and I'm leaving them there. For what's that steak, we could go out back. Holy cow, these hands medium rare. We want to hear bars, my nigga. We want to hear you run your mouth. Then I said with that Tommy, I'm cold, so get the stepping. This Martin House. My whole line.
Like you ain't say that.
Man, my whole line smooth with that cane. My whole line smooth with that cane. We look like Kappas now. Whole gang come through, get a block. We playing Jenga now. I'm trying to kill your whole bloodline. We shoot up the family van. King Will said my name 3 times, battling good words, and I appeared. I'm the candy man. Hold up. I'm a bad nigga. I came in with the heart of my mama. That's a grand entrance.
I like that one.
Shooting up the game. That's and one. Since the first round, when I say Rickey C, y'all say spare none. Rickey C.
Spare none.
Rickey C.
Spare none.
That's talking about. I like that shit.
Yeah, all right. Bottom of the third is on break.
Skateboarding, rock music, Nike SBs, airheads, sour patches. Yeah. Type of shit I was fucking thinking about while this nigga was rapping.
Okay.
I wasn't really checking out your bars and shit. I like your swag. I might check out a mixtape or two. Oh wait, you don't have a mixtape or two to check out, my nigga? You need to get in the booth, my nigga. Battle rapping is fun, but my nigga, fucking getting on the microphone is probably where you would probably succeed at.
Calico said when it's real, it ain't got a rhyme.
Nigga, you're absolutely fucking whack. I would not buy your mixtape. I wouldn't buy a fucking track. I wouldn't fucking pick your shit off the ground like scraps. Matter of fact, I'm lying. I be needing shit to roll my pine on. Check me out, straight like that. I come with straight raps. My nigga, I'm a problem. Can you get math? You ain't got bars like that. Cause you hella whack. Get it? Cause math say shit like that. But guess what, my nigga? I'm about to box this stack. Like your t-shirt again.
Time.